We're reviewing today our battery-operated lights. They come with instructions, they come with self-adhesive circles that you can simply just mount anywhere you want on a wall with the gimbal, and they give you the hardware and supplies needed to charge the unit up. You get a USB-C cable, it's about 18 inches in length. You get 2 of them. You get magnetic adhesive stickers, you get screws and anchors, and you get the light with the on and off switch and the magnet and area to mount on. The light goes on, the light goes off. It is a feather touch button, so you just simply tap it once and off again. If you press the button and then hold it for a long press, it should dim down. As it slowly dims down to 10%, if you want to increase the brightness, press it and hold it down until it hits the highest level of light. To charge each of the units, you press into the USB-C underneath the unit. With the other end plugged into a port, you have a red light indicator, turns green when fully charged. This is a magnet. This is the gimbal. It is a very strong magnet. This is the gimbal mount. It is very strong. It is not on the unit, but once it gets onto the unit, it is very tough to pull apart. If you don't want to use the gimbal light and you want to use the adhesive sticker to anywhere you could put on the wall, upside down the cabinet, and so forth. Peel off the backing, place onto the mount, press down firmly for a good 30 seconds. We need light over here by the printer, so we're going to place our light on. We're going to adjust the way we want it. And we are hanging a light, as simple as that. Turn the light on and find a spot that you want to put your light that be out of the way and adjust it to the angle you want. Once you find a spot, peel off the backing and stick up. And whenever you need to recharge, you simply pull off and recharge. Place the light anywhere you like. 4,000 milliamp battery with a 4-hour fast charge with the 50 LED lights, 6 hours on the highest, brightest level, and the lowest level, 30 hours of use. Use it as an emergency flashlight by simply sword press and walk around where you need light on the go. Hang it up anywhere, picture frames, bedrooms, kids' rooms, in the car, by the boat. From DetarZinLED, these are battery-operated light 2-packs. Hope you enjoy your product if this is right for you.